Alright, so this is pretty much all done. I've rigged it and got the placement, so we will need to just check the placement of this here, which is going to be your inverter. If you're running an LED little kit like I have, just drilled out these little holes, placed the wires through, connected the inverter, and I'm going to use this to tack onto the foot brake. So when I touch the foot brake, these will light up. I'll just sort of show you what that's going to look like. So I'm just going to hack the drill to get these to shine. Let's just get this working. Oh yeah, there we go. Wow, nice and bright. Very good. You know the dealio. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching Seagull's Master 323. Well, in the next video I'll go over the reskinning and then we'll fit it to the car and see what it looks like with it all switched in electrically.